Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about spiritual lessons from ancient wisdom traditions on Arya's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a faraway land, nestled among majestic mountains and lush forests, there lived a young seeker named Arya. Arya was filled with an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a deep yearning to understand the mysteries of life. She believed that ancient wisdom held the key to unlocking profound spiritual truths. Driven by her passion, Arya embarked on a journey that took her to distant lands, where she sought out wise sages and masters of ancient wisdom traditions. She immersed herself in the teachings of various cultures, absorbing the timeless wisdom they offered. Arya delved into the rich tapestry of ancient Indian philosophy, exploring the depths of yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda. She learned that at the heart of these traditions lay the concept of unity, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the universe itself. Arya realized that in order to find true spiritual fulfillment, she must cultivate love, compassion, and harmony with all that exists. As she traversed the path of ancient wisdom, Arya encountered the teachings of Buddhism, which taught her the power of mindfulness and the art of letting go. She discovered that by embracing impermanence and detaching from the illusions of the material world, she could find true peace and liberation. Arya understood that the key to spiritual growth was not in accumulating external possessions, but in cultivating inner peace and contentment. Arya's journey also led her to the mystical practices of the indigenous tribes of the Amazon rainforest. She learned from their deep connection with nature and their reverence for the earth. They taught her that the natural world was not merely a backdrop to human existence but a sacred realm filled with wisdom and healing. Arya discovered that by immersing herself in nature and honoring the interconnected web of life, she could tap into a profound sense of spirituality and interconnectedness. As she ventured further, Arya discovered the wisdom of the ancient Egyptians, with their awe-inspiring temples and intricate rituals. From them, she learned about the power of symbols and the importance of honoring the divine within. Arya realized that by connecting with her own inner divinity and embracing her unique spiritual journey, she could tap into her limitless potential and live a life of purpose and meaning. As Arya synthesized the teachings from these diverse wisdom traditions, she realized that they all pointed to a fundamental truth: the importance of self-awareness and inner transformation. Each tradition offered its own unique practices and rituals, but at their core, they all emphasized the journey of self-discovery in the cultivation of wisdom, love, and compassion. Arya returned to her homeland, inspired to share the profound spiritual lessons she had learned. She gathered seekers from all walks of life, creating a community where ancient wisdom traditions could be explored and integrated into modern living. Through workshops, retreats, and shared experiences, Arya helped others connect with their own inner wisdom and find their unique spiritual paths. The ripple effect of Arya's journey spread far and wide, as individuals from all corners of the world embraced the spiritual lessons from ancient wisdom traditions. They discovered that within the ancient texts, rituals, and practices lay timeless guidance for navigating the complexities of life and finding true spiritual fulfillment. And so, dear reader, let Arya's story serve as a reminder that ancient wisdom traditions hold treasures that can enrich our lives in profound ways. Open yourself to the teachings of the past, explore the wisdom of diverse cultures, and integrate the spiritual lessons that resonate with your soul. As you embark on your own journey of self-discovery, may you find solace, guidance, and transformation in the timeless wisdom of the ages. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.